Hello, Don, and welcome. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How is your day going, Timothy?
Mine is fantastic as well. Now, the reason why I called you here today is to discuss our topic for the upcoming presentation for eSkills. I've sent you an email with the details and asked you to prepare some items we would like to discuss here in this meeting.
Yes, I have read your email and I've been doing some research and I found one item specifically that I find very interesting to present.
All right, great. Now, I've also prepared an item myself, so I suggest each take a turn and present one at a time. So, if that's fine by you.
Yeah, of course, sounds great. I will give you the honor to start.
All right, thank you. So now my item is 3D printing, and 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing. It refers to processes used to synthesize the three-dimensional object in which successive layers of material are formed under computer control to create an object. Now, objects can be of almost any shape or geometry and are produced using digital model data from a 3D model. Futurologist Jeremy Rifkin claimed that 3D printing, or AM, signals the beginning of a third industrial revolution, succeeding the production line assembly that dominated manufacturing starting in the late 19th century. The term 3D printing has an origin sense. 3D printing is a reference to a process that deposits a binary material onto a powder bed with inkjet printer heads by layer and layer. Now, there are three main applications which I will discuss now. So the first application is manufacturing, and this consists of cloud-based additive manufacturing, mass customization, rapid manufacturing, rapid prototyping, research, food, medical applications, and agile tooling. Next up, we have industrial applications, and this consists of apparel, automotive industry, construction, firearms, medical devices, bioprinting, pills, computer and robots, and space. Now, last but not least, social cultural applications. This consists of art, communication, domestic use, education and research, environmental use, cultural heritage, and specialty materials. So this is just a small amount about 3D printing. I can go way more in depth, but we still have a lot to discuss. So what is your item, Dan?
Okay, thank you for your information. It sounds very interesting. But my innovation that I have chosen is virtual reality. And as you can hear, the name itself contains two parts. You have virtual, which means basically means near, and reality is all about what we experience as human beings. Virtual reality is basically a realistic simulation of a three-dimensional environment. And when the user is moving his or her head, he or she can see everything changing in that three-dimensional environment. And this is all possible because of the advanced technology that we have those days, and also the deception, because the senses we have are also very important. We have senses like hearing, touch, smell, taste, and sight, and we do know the world through these senses and our perception system. But to make a long story short, our whole experience of reality is a combination of sensory information and our brain's sense-making for that information. So basically, virtual reality can trick mine and your senses and make us believe that the made-up environment is real. Now, they already use virtual reality as a training method. Like, for example, in the medical sector, they are using it for teaching the next generation of doctors for robotic surgery. But they also use it in dangerous environments like armed forces or for pilots who aren't allowed to make a single one mistake, of course, in real life. But it can also be very handy in the business world. Take, for example, a digital meeting. Now you only see your colleague or your business partner through your laptop screen or something else. But with the use of virtual reality, you can actually create a feeling that you're sitting on the same table in the same room with them. And in fact, you would still be miles away from each other. And it can also save organizations a lot of time and money because it will make work more convenient. Take, for example, the employees that they'll always have to travel around the world in order to make decisions and to complete their products. They won't have to anymore because virtual reality will give them the opportunity to evaluate everything from home. And they already use virtual reality in some sectors, and these sectors are education, military, healthcare, entertainment, fashion, business, sports, media, and many more. So this was my topic.
Wow, quite the research that you've done. Now, I think personally that you've actually kind of interested me in virtual reality. So if it's fine by you, let's pick that topic to present our presentation.
Yeah, of course, it's fine by me. So when will we see each other for our next step in this process?
Is it possible for you to come tomorrow around 2 or 3 p.m. at Kanteenburg?
Yeah, 3 p.m. will be great.
3 p.m.? All right, note it down. Thank you very much, Dan, and I'll see you tomorrow then.
Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. Ciao.
Bye.